This GMC Sierra 2500 HD boasts a turbocharged diesel V8 6.6L/403 engine powering this automatic transmission. Allison 1000 6-speed automatic, electronically controlled with overdrive, electronic engine-grade braking and tow-haul mode, switch, high idle, remote keyless entry. This GMC Sierra 2500 HD comes equipped with these options: suspension package, off-road includes Z71 chrome front fender emblems, twin-tube Rancho brand shocks, JHD, hill descent control, NZZ, underbody shield and off-road driver information center graphics. SLE Preferred Package includes AG1, driver 10-way power seat adjuster when ordered with AZ3, front 40/20/40 split bench seat only, BTV, remote vehicle starter system, T3U, front fog lamps, C49, rear window defogger, N37, manual tilt and telescoping steering column and KI4. 110-volt power outlet. Crew cab and double cab also includes UG1, universal home remote and CJ2, dual zone climate control. SLE Convenience Package for crew cab and double cab includes JF4, power adjustable pedals, UD7, rear park assist, A48, power sliding rear window and C49, rear window defogger, LPO. GMC Interior Protection Package includes VAV, all-weather floor mats, LPO and VBR, rubber bed mat, LPO, window, power, rear sliding with rear defogger, wheels, 17, 43.2 cm, machined aluminum includes 17x 7.5, 43.2 cm x 19.1 cm, steel spare wheel. STD, trailering wiring provisions. For trailering, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer includes additional 7-way wiring harnesses located at the rear of the pickup box attached to the rear frame crossmember, trailer brake controller, integrated, tires, LT265/70R17E all-terrain, BLACKWALL, Summit White. Visit us today. Come in for a quick visit at Laird Wheaton, 2590 Bowen Road, Nanaimo, BC 59T3L3 to claim your GMC Sierra 2500 HD.